How to use the economic calendar on Forex.com. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the Forex.com app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to access the economic calendar, you need to head over to the account section. Tap on this account icon in the bottom right. Over here in this research and trade ideas section, you can see the economic calendar option. Tap on this. You will see a timeline of scheduled economic events from the major economies. In order to use this economic calendar, you can apply the filter events option. Tap on the show filters option in the top left. You can use these filter options to narrow down by country, date range, and event importance. You can select the country, select your preferred country from here. You can even choose the category, select the category of events from here. You can also check the volatility of this event. You can tap on this filter results and you will see the results accordingly. You can change the time zone. You can also change the date. You can choose your custom dates too. And if you want to understand any event data, you can simply tap on them. It will open up the detailed information about them. You can go through these informations and after that you can plan your trades. You need to use this economic calendar with your technical analysis. So that's how you can effectively use the economic calendar on Forex.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.